Hello there, a new day, a new project, and look what I got here. It's a really classic IBM A31 2653 14.1 inch screen with a Pentium 4 mobile, Windows XP. I'm not sure about that, but I think it's Windows XP. Anyway, this one comes with 512 megabytes of RAM, and I think there is a hard disk in there. I'm not sure. I have to open it up. Some more about this. I think this one was made in 2003, and it's a corporate business, small business. This is made by IBM long before Lenovo took the production, and it have a Intel Pentium 4M mobile, 1.8 gigahertz, and all the other cell2 cache, 512 kilobytes, and data bus speed 400 megahertz, and many other things. Oh, let me show you the toy first of all. It's funny because I found this in pretty good shape. A few cracks here or there, but doesn't make any harm to the working. Even all these labels are here in place. Well, somebody had a crazy idea to color this in red. It will be cleaned up anyway. Some specific keys over here for internet use and stuffs like that. Volumes up and down. This is the classic IBM keyboard with the track point and all the other stuffs here. And what I like the most, the battery, it's still working. That's amazing. 2003, and it's an original IBM battery. Let me show you the other side. So there it is. We have a Windows XP product key. This is the docking port. I don't have one for now. And I think here is the RAM. And in here we should have a Wi-Fi card. This one doesn't have a Wi-Fi card. That's the battery. Still working. This is nice. Okay. So the model is IBM A31 type 2653. And we have here a hard disk. And that's a 30 giga hard disk from Hitachi. I'm not sure if it's working because I didn't test it. It's looking pretty good shape. And a little presentation here. We have a floppy drive here. Well, this is cracked, but it will be fixed. It doesn't hurt the functionality. We have the microphone, the headphones in, and all the other stuffs. Here are the fan. Here is the fan in and out. Behind we have all the classic ports, I may say. The parallel port is here. This is VGA out, network, modem, PS2, and serial port. I remember these ones used to have an infrared port too. It should be here somewhere. Here we have two PCMI ports for two cards. And this is a DVD RAM. Of course, I forgot about two USB ports. Maybe there are a few screws missing here. Okay, we'll check that. Well, like I said, it's looking good. And if it's working, it's even better. Okay, let's put it on. This one's supposed to have a 16 volt adapter. I don't have a 16 volt, but I'm using the normal 19 volts from another computer, and it's working. We should have a sign here showing that the battery, yeah, right, it's coming up. So the battery is charging. Let's try to open it up. Power on. I can hear the DVD running. We have IBM logo on screen. Oh, the fan, it's working. We have the IBM logo. And there is another nice touch, I may say. When I press FN and this key here, there is a LED up there. You see, for the keys in the night. That's a really nice touch. I like it. Now let's see if it's booting. Check date and time settings. Okay. So the BIOS is from 2003. Let's have a date over here. That should be okay. Normally it's F10, save and reboot. Let's see if it's booting. I can hear the DVD running. What do you think about this? And Windows XP, it's booting. Hey, this is great. Wow, I missed that noise. I missed that. That's a strange screen over here, but I really don't care. So the old IBM, it's working, and I'm really great with that. Oh, we even have a game here, Battlefield 1942. Oh, look there. Insert the CD-ROM, press OK and restart the application. Well, I don't have any CD-ROM about that, but that doesn't really matter. I remember we have a Netot card over there, so let's plug the LAN connection here. And what do you think about that? We have 100 megabits/second. That should be okay. Let's open the Internet Explorer. Oh man, I really miss this Windows XP. Okay, let me try. YouTube. The keys are great. Yep. Well, this is Italian or what? A journal browser. Okay. So this Internet Explorer is so damn old. Let me see here. Connect to control panel. My computer. Properties. So we have a Windows Pentium 4 1.9 gigahertz. Okay. 512 mega of RAM, Microsoft XP Professional, Salary Spec 3. What else? Hardware, something special about, let me see about the display adapters. Okay, so we have mobility ready on 7500. Okay, nice. Infrared, it's here, like I said. Modem, network adapter, it's working. Processor, Pentium 4 on 1.9 gigahertz. The battery is okay. Well, this is a piece of history now. And I'm really happy it's working. I'll be back soon with some other projects. In fact, I want to use this IBM for a demonstration of the old Cakewalk 3.1 or 3.0 professional sequencer, and that will run a Roland G600. In fact, it's an SC88 sound canvas from Roland, and I want to show you about how to sequence and make music on this kind of computers. This is IBM A31 running well, starting up, booting. I'm really happy for that. Battery and everything is here present. Oh, by the way, let me see if the floppy is working. Okay, I have a disk here. I still have a disk. Is there any sound? No. Maybe we should use this. My computer. Floppy. Yes. What do you think? And there we are. And there we are. It's reading the disk. Amazing nice. Very nice. Well, this old keyboard, it's still using floppy disks. But the sound, it's still actual. Somehow. Okay. Thank you for now. I hope this was useful for you. And I'll be back with some other projects. In the meantime, please comment, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. Be safe. Bye bye.